Fraction Action. It's about fraction for third graders. The content standards are 3.1, compare fractions represented by drawings or concrete materials to show equivalency and to add and subtract simple fractions in context. And 3.2, add and subtract simple fractions. So up here I put what to do if they don't understand an activity to start off. And first they'll look to see if someone else is working on the same activity and ask them a question, and if not, then they can come to the teacher. So the first activity is called M&M fractions. So for this activity, each student will receive 20 M&Ms. They'll have two groups of 10, and they'll record on a piece of scratch paper the fraction of each color they have. So if they're trying to find how many red M&Ms they have in one of their 10 piles, they might have 3/10 of red M&Ms, and then they'll do the same thing for the second pile, and once they're done, they'll add both of those together to see how many they have in total. And the next activity is called Least to Greatest. And so for this activity, there's 5 different sets of fraction cards. And I've color coordinated them so they will keep them together. And all the students will have to do is, there's 4 in each set. They'll just have to order them, put the fractions in order from least to greatest, and then the answers will be posted on the back so they can check that when they're done. And they'll be doing that individually. And then for the next activity, it's called Flip for Fractions. And they'll be doing this game with a partner, so it's kind of a memory and fraction game. So there are a bunch of cards with different fractions on them and drawings. And so they'll be comparing, for example, there's a circle that's 1/2. And they'll have to match it to, well, if there's one that says 1/4, they'll have to match it to the other card that has the same picture and is 2/8. So they'll be comparing fractions. And then One to Win is the next activity. They'll have this brown bag and they'll be playing with a partner. And there's fraction cubes in here, and the only fraction cubes that are in here are 1/2, a 4th, an 1/8, and a 12th, because they're easier for third graders to add together. So one partner will draw a cube and then record that down, and then the next partner will draw a cube, record it, and as they keep drawing cubes, they'll add up their fractions together, and the first person to make exactly 1 will win the game. And then the last activity is called Spinning Fractions. So there's a fraction spinner right here,